For the past several hours, we have been tracking a few pockets of heavy rain here in the coastal Empire and Low Country. We've been dealing with some of that in Chatham County. As we step outside and take a look from our view out in Pooler, we can actually see a rainbow there. And as we look in the direction of the east on the westbound side there, you can definitely see a pretty nice rainbow view. But over downtown, we can see a lot of cloud cover, and we are tracking some of that rain on Viper radar right now, generally along Interstate 95 and just inland. And the sea breeze is keeping that from moving toward the coast right now. The general movement throughout the day has been from the southwest to the northeast. We can see the activity developing and pushing into the eastern part of the area and really just keeping place, so it's more or less getting a roadblock there from that sea breeze front coming in on shore. But down in Richmond Hill, we do have some heavier rain setting up for this evening across Liberty County as well. Hinesville dry at the moment, but just to your east, we do have that heavier rain near Limerick and Dorchester right now. Further to the south into McIntosh County, portions of Long County, some heavy rain setting up as well. We've had some heavy rain across Tatnall and Evans County. That's still starting to rain itself out as it is making its way toward Highway 25 right now. Temperature-wise, we did make it into the upper 80s and 90s for our high temperatures, cooling off in the locations that did have that heavier rain. 82 right now for Rincon, 79 for Savannah, upper 80s for Richmond Hill and for Darien with those storms in the vicinity. As far as the forecast for tomorrow morning, starting off with some cloud cover, temperatures in the 70s. We'll have that mix of clouds and sunshine throughout the day, and then it's in the late afternoon into the evening hours for the most part when we do expect there to be a few showers and storms, but overall a drier day is expected here in the coastal Empire and the Low Country. But as a cutoff low starts to develop, that will help us to get a little bit more unsettled for the remainder of the work week. But just a few afternoon and evening showers and storms expected for our Wednesday. When our water vapor imagery, we can see that spin in the atmosphere over North Georgia. That will be staying in place and help to draw in more of that moisture, especially as we do get to Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So for that reason, it will become a little bit more unsettled, drying out and heating up starting on Sunday and into the early part of next week, with temperatures returning to the mid-90s for some of us. But for tonight, mainly dry. A few clouds will be with us first thing Wednesday morning. There's a chance for a couple of showers early in the day, but they will be pretty short-lived. And that's in the later afternoon hours and into the evening when we will have a few isolated thunderstorms developing. Temperatures stay warm going into Wednesday night with a southerly breeze. For tonight, 75, a few more showers and storms are expected. And then for tomorrow, definitely keep an eye on the sky because of that chance for a few showers and storms throughout the later part of the day. Highs will make it into the lower 90s. As far as that boating forecast, the winds will start to pick up a bit during those afternoon hours, so definitely keep an eye on the sky. Those winds out of the south around 15 knots during the later part of the day. So storm chances, they will get higher again for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then we will dry out a little bit for next week, but storm chances not going away altogether. So we still have the opportunity for some heavier rain setting up over the next few days wherever the rain does develop. Even if it's a small cell, could dump high amounts of rain.
All right, well, you say we still need the rain.
We do.
Okay, Scott, thank you. Sports is straight ahead.